Hello everybody and welcome to another Mystery Box Function Challenge. In the purple mystery box there is some math and your challenge is to figure out what it is. You can use the link in the description if you want to try this out on your own, and when you've got an idea, come on back and see if we get the same thing. Alright, let's see. I'm going to start with a 0. So 0 gives us negative 1.5. How about a 1? And 1 gives us 5.5. How about a 2? And 2 are already off the graph, but it looks like this may be linear or maybe absolute value. The distance from negative 1.5 to 5.5, that's a positive 7, and then up to 12.5 is another 7. So it looks like this arm here, at least in this length, is linear. Let's go in the negatives. And that's negative 8.5. So that is 7 down from the negative 1.5. So it looks like we might have a line. These 4 points would certainly make a line. Maybe we should test some a little further out. So let me go, maybe way in the positives up to 9. And what I'm looking for here is something very big and positive if this is continuing as a line. If it's not, maybe it'll be down in the negatives if it's an absolute value function. All right, so that is big and positive. Looks like it's continuing as a line. Let's just do a negative 9, and it should be big and negative. And that's about what I expected there. So I think we've got a line. So to get the function, the equation for the line, what we really need to do is determine the slope and then the y-intercept. Y-intercept is pretty easy to read. It's where the line crosses the y-axis. So this is negative 1.5, or we could write it as negative 3 halves. So f of x is going to equal something, some slope, times x, and then a minus 3 halves for that y-intercept. And what is the slope? Well, we've already noticed that. It continues to go up by 7, or if we're going the opposite direction, going down by 7. So our slope is a positive 7. I know it's positive because it goes up as it goes to the left. So I think our function here is 7x minus 3 halves. Let's go ahead and take a look. Yep, 7x minus 3 halves, and we can graph that as well. Nice steep line cutting through the y-axis at that negative 1.5. Well, how did that go for you? Did you get linear? Let me know. Thanks, everybody.